Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan yogurt with soy milk. First, gather your ingredients: 1 liter of unsweetened, unflavored soy milk and a starter culture. This could be the contents of 2 probiotic capsules or 2 tablespoons of plain, store-bought vegan yogurt. Ensure your soy milk has no added sugars or thickeners, as these can interfere with the fermentation process. This simple combination is the foundation for delicious homemade yogurt. Next, gently heat your soy milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius to sterilize it and denature the proteins. This step helps create a thicker yogurt. Then, allow the milk to cool down to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 to 46 degrees Celsius. This temperature range is crucial for the beneficial bacteria in your starter to thrive without being killed by excessive heat. Once your soy milk has cooled to the correct temperature, carefully stir in your chosen starter culture. If using probiotic capsules, open them and sprinkle the powder directly into the milk. For store-bought yogurt, simply whisk it in until well combined. Transfer the mixture to a clean jar, cover it, and let it ferment in a warm, undisturbed place for 6 to 12 hours. A yogurt maker or an oven with just the light on works perfectly. After fermentation, your yogurt will likely be thin. For a thicker consistency, you can strain it through a cheesecloth-lined sieve for several hours in the refrigerator, or whisk in 1 to 2 teaspoons of a thickener like arrowroot powder or cornstarch. Once it reaches your desired thickness, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade vegan soy yogurt with fruit, granola, or in smoothies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.